Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. After Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar made allegations on black magic, the trustee of a temple in Kerala said that his statement was false. D.K. Shivkumar had said that political opponents were performing a black magic ritual against him and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah near the Raja Rajeshwari temple. The trustee of the temple said, "There is no such puja that is taking place at the Raja Rajeshwari temple. We would know if there is any such activity, but we still checked." Shivkumar, while speaking to reporters, said that he had credible information that a yajna was being conducted by Aghoris at an isolated place near the temple to destabilize the Congress government. The Congress party has said that it would be boycotting all exit poll debates. Senior Congress leader Pawan Khera wrote on social media platform X that the party will not participate in the debates on exit polls. The Congress has decided not to participate in any Lok Sabha exit poll debates on the television channels and said it does not want to indulge in speculation and slugfest for TRP. After this, Union Home Minister Amit Shah took a swipe at the Congress party. He accused it of being in denial mode and conceding defeat. He said that Congress has been in denial since the party leader Rahul Gandhi began playing a key role in the affair of the party. The Rajasthan High Court has directed the state government to provide compensation to the dependents of the people who died due to heat waves. Further, the court said there was a need to declare heat waves and cold waves national calamities. The High Court took suo motu cognizance regarding environment protection and climate change. The High Court directed the Chief Secretary of Rajasthan to constitute committees of various departments to take immediate and appropriate steps for effective implementation of the Heat Action Plan prepared under the Rajasthan Climate Change Project. The mother of the teenager involved in the Pune Porsche crash was arrested for helping his blood sample after the accident. Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar said, "This is the fourth arrest from the family with minors. His father and grandfather already apprehended." At least 18 polling staff deployed for the final phase of the Lok Sabha elections have died of heat-related issues in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the past 24 hours. This comes as large parts of North India continue to remain in the grip of a heat wave. While 10 polling staff died of heat-related issues in Bihar, 8 died in Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh. US President Joe Biden has laid out what he described as a three-phase Israeli proposal for a ceasefire in Gaza in return for the release of Israeli hostages. Biden said, "It's time for this war to end." There was a positive initial reaction from Hamas. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.